Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the incredible folding hand truck with a 330-pound capacity, designed for heavy-duty tasks and convenience. This versatile Dolly cart features a flat folding design, allowing it to collapse to a compact 24 by 15 by 4 inches, making it perfect for easy storage in your car's trunk, under a bed, or in a closet. Crafted from sturdy materials, this hand truck ensures durability and stability, with a large anti-skid platform and shovel board to keep your items secure, even on rough roads. With its quick conversion capability, you can effortlessly switch between a two-wheeled upright handcart and a four-wheeled trolley, while the telescoping handle offers 3 adjustable height settings to suit your needs. Ideal for shopping, business travel, cargo handling, and more, this multifunctional cart is your go-to solution for a variety of tasks. Plus, it comes with 2 adjustable bungee cords, so you can easily secure your cargo without needing to purchase additional accessories. Whether you're moving house or handling office deliveries, this folding hand truck is designed to make your life easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.